después te como bien. Curso marachero, pero no sé.
Luego no se ve la experiencia que tienen.
Well, let me tell you that you have a lot of fans in Venezuela. That's one big thing. Well, what we're doing is, right now we are live with 100 people around Latin America. So we're trying to show them a little bit, you know, the experience here. And, well, if we can...
Have you ever been to Campus Party before?
No, it's my first time. So I'm really excited.
This is a very exciting event, it really is. Okay. Should we start? Or?
Yeah. First, I think one of the questions that I discussed with my friends back in Venezuela is what will be the future of, you know, open source of Linux, of all this whole community? Where are we going?
World domination. Okay. Linus said it in 1991, and I've never seen anything to make me believe it'll be anything different. And in reality, it isn't. See, I was doing free software in 1969. All of the software at that time was free. You did everything in source code. And then closed source software really came about in about 1977 with Sun OS as a Unix system, the Apple II, and MS-DOS. And that's where manufacturing software started to happen. And it's breaking down because there are too many people who have too many needs for any one company to be able to meet those needs. So the only answer to that is really free software. Because free software allows people to change the software to meet their needs, which is what they need to do. So that's why it's inevitable that free software will have world domination.
What do you think about hardware open source?
You know, it's funny you should mention that because down here in my little pouch, I have an open phone. I have to get my open phone. Pardon me for a second. So this is the Open Moco Open Phone, and what is Open Phone about it is that every single piece of the hardware is fully specified so that you can put any software on top of this. And now there's about 5 different operating systems on here. There's Qt Extended, there's Debian, the entire Debian system that's on here. You can put Android on here, the OpenMoco software itself. And this means that people can keep updating their phone all the time. They're not dependent upon some company updating the software for them. And they can determine how they want to use their phone. So we've had great interest in this from governments, from solution providers that say, I can't provide the solution with an iPhone. I can't provide the solution with a Nokia because I can't change the operating system. I can't change the software. So this is an open phone, and I think there will be other types of open hardware that will be coming along.
Thanks so much.
One more question. In Latin America, we have this race area, right? We realized that open source and projects like Linux have solved many problems around the world already. So we thought, well, if we can make it with software, what about if we do real, you know, like real projects, you know, I mean real projects like, let's say, open, I don't know, a small business for somebody who doesn't know how to do it, you know, like create things software, you know, like, you know what I mean?
You mean like Project Calwa?
Well, that's exactly what we're looking for.
So Project Kawa is a project to show people how to run a business and do everything for them. Help them create a business plan, help them understand what the expenses would be in their business, and then to train people to do this. And I've done a lot of study on this. We're in the process now of starting up Project Kawa. Everything will be published about it freely and open. So people will be able to look at this and say, that's the type of business I would like to have, and they'll be able to take their business plan and what we call letters of intent. These are letters from customers saying, yes, I'd be happy to buy this service from you. Take it to a bank, get the money from the bank, start their business, pay back the bank over time, and then that business will be theirs. It will be their business. And I believe